Hey, did you know that arigato means thank you in Japanese? Yeah, it's like a magical word that brings miracles. That's awesome! Let's learn the magic arigato phrase today. Are you ready? Let's begin! Hachi-san, arigato. Thank you, B. Hachi-san, arigato. Look, a bumblebee is visiting blackberry flowers. In Japanese, bee is called hachi. Hachi. Some kids also call it hachi-san. Hachi-san. Hey, why do you add san in the end? San is a special title to show politeness. It's similar to Mr. or Miss in English. So when we say hachi-san, it's a bit like calling the bee Mr. B. We can also use san after people's names to be polite, just like we do for bees. I gotcha! Bees are like nature's little helpers. When a bee lands on a flower, pollen sticks to its fuzzy body. Then, when the bee flies to another flower, some of the pollen rubs off. This pollen helps the plant make seeds. Thanks to bees, we get to enjoy delicious blackberries. Hachi-san, arigato. Thank you, bee. Hachi-san, arigato.
Arigato Magic!